You won't believe what I've just found. I mean, if your funded accounts keep getting failed, this website is going to be a paradise for you. I know how many funded accounts I've breached, but after finding this website, my funded accounts are getting passed so easily, and I'm even able to take out payouts from them now. So first, let me tell you what this website does. I've been testing it for a while so I can give you a proper review. This website essentially extracts all the rules for you from any prop firm you want to put in, so you won't face any problems in the future. You won't have to worry about breaching your daily limit or breaking any other rule that you might not even be aware of. This website extracts all the rules from that specific prop firm so you can manage your trades well. In fact, you don't even need to manage anything after this. The best part is that they don't take your ID or password. Your data is completely safe, and you are the one doing the trading yourself. So these are some of its features. I'll show you the pricing plans. I have the enterprise plan right now because, honestly, the Pro and enterprise plans are pretty much the same. The only difference is that Pro is for 1 month and enterprise is for 3 months. I found the 3-month plan more beneficial for me. But they also have a free trial option. You can open an account with any of their affiliate prop firms to get free access. Look, these are some of their current affiliates. You can open an account through them, then upload a screenshot of your purchase, and you will get access to the dashboard. You will get access within 24 to 48 hours. This is their starter plan. This is the Pro, and this is the Enterprise. I currently have the Enterprise plan. You see this feature, iTrading Coach. I love this feature. Where they give you the trading signals, they have also integrated an AI coach. This AI coach answers all your questions. Suppose you feel anxious during a trade, and you're unsure if you should exit, or you're wondering if you should trail your stop loss or book a partial profit. You can literally ask the AI directly for advice on these things. It gives you the best suggestions. And another thing is, I don't need to go to different places to make a journal anymore. I can do it all here. I can access it from anywhere. The enterprise plan even lets you use multi-accounts. But it doesn't matter, because even the basic plans and the free plan are great. You can't say no to this website. They are literally giving you so much for free. You can even get your own bot developed. They literally make a bot for you. They will even make an MT5 bot for you. You tell them your requirements, and they will build a bot for you. Now, how the main website will work. It's a simple sign-up process. They will ask you some questions, like what assets you prefer to trade, which prop firm you have an account with, what your equity is, and what type of account you have. You also have to enter an account ID in the questionnaire. This is important because, if you face any issue later, they will only provide support based on that specific account. So make sure you only enter the account you plan to trade with. They will ask you to show your trading history for that particular account to validate your claim. If you show a different account, it won't be valid. But if you're just here for the trial, you can enter anything and continue. Now I'm going to log in and show you my dashboard since I already have an enterprise account. Wait. So this is what my dashboard looks like. You know, if someone doesn't like this default theme, they have given options to change it based on your preference. They have added some really nice themes. I'll just stick to the default one for a bit, and let's see what the dashboard has. If you see here, this is the Overview tab, where your equity changes. How does it change? You go to Signals. These are old signals because it's Saturday, or rather, Sunday today, so there are no live signals. See, if you look at this example signal, it's for EUR/CHF. It literally tells you the lot size according to your account's equity, and it also tells you the estimated profit and loss. This is what the signals look like. Here you have your stop loss and take profit. If you use the same entry, stop loss, and take profit, it will show you the estimated outcome based on your lot size. And they also give you the lot size based on your account's equity. It's like a proper spoon-feeding service. All you have to do is, after you take a trade on your funded account, you just have to tell them the outcome. You can mark it as 1 if the trade resulted in a profit, lost if it hit the stop loss, or break even if you closed it there. You just have to do this. For example, my trade 1. Your account equity will automatically change accordingly. Now there are 2 more features here, Add to Journal and Chat with Nexus. This is the AI coach I was talking about. Adding to the journal will basically create our journal. I can add anything else I want here, and just click Add Entry. Let's go back to the signals. If we click on Chat with Nexus, it asks for an API key. Where do you get the API key? You go to Google AI Studio. First, you sign in and then click on Create API Key. And then you just copy the generated key and paste it here and click Save and Validate. That's all you have to do. You see, I already have one created. I'll just select my project, get my API key, and paste it here. And then save it. It's now saved. Now I can chat with it whenever I want. This is a complete AI coach, and it will give you all the answers. So this was it for the video. I hope you find this platform really useful. But look, there's one thing. It's a game of win rate and market sentiments. They use the SMC concept. You should also use your own judgment to see if the signal matches your own analysis. They are giving you everything, but for that extra bit of confirmation, just use your own mind a little bit. Otherwise, there are no problems. Their signals are great, and they are also bringing new features in the future. So get ready for that. Crypto and futures are also coming soon. Their signals for Forex are already so good, and they even give recommended signals. You can trade with those too. And yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you next time. Bye.